Dear friends, hi, my name is Dakshan. I am going to explain my science project, the tuned working model of gears. In my model, we can see two gears in different sizes and shapes. When I rotate the small gear, the bigger gear automatically rotates. This helps us to understand when the size changes, the speed and force also change. The smaller gear rotates faster. The bigger gear rotates slower but with more power. Gears are used in our daily lives. Many machines cannot work without gears. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to explain my science project. Thank you.
Show me the explanation.